Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Today I have my Glossybox and Boxycharm unboxings. I have slit them open so they are all ready to go. And let's go ahead and start with Boxycharm. So both of these are $21 a month subscriptions, but if you do more than 1 month at a time, you can get a slight discount. So I have a 3-month to Boxycharm, and right now I'm just on a monthly for Glossybox. I'll put referral links for both of them down below. So the theme for Boxycharm this month is vacation, and this is what it looks like inside. And the first thing in here is from Pretty Vulgar, which is very cool, and this is in the shade Hush Blush, and actually this was on my Sephora wish list, so I'm very excited to actually have gotten something from my wish list instead of having to buy it. So let's swatch it. That's what it looks like. It's kind of a little chunky. I don't know if you can see. I have buildup right there, but we'll see what it looks like. It looks like a nice color, really neutrally everyday type of shade. The next thing in here is from South Maine, and these are 3 eye gel packs. It reduces puffiness, reduces black or dark circles, and moisturizes eye area. I wonder if we can see what these look like. They're the jelly type, so I'm not sure. I like the Sephora under eye patches because they are the cloth and they really hug in. I find that a lot of the times the gels don't really stick and they kind of shift around more, so I will try those out. Those are interesting. I should say what the prices are too. The under eye gels are $10, so not a totally expensive item, but the blush is $26, so that's a pretty good deal. Next in here is from Butter London. It is the Double Decker Lashes Mascara. And I'm going to not open this. It's really cute though. It has a little double decker bust there because I have so many mascaras right now, so I will hold off on this one. But that one retails for $20. And then the next thing in here, I'm trying to save the biggest item as I go. These are from Vintage. And these are a smoky eye brush set, and I need scissors to open it because it is sealed. And, oh, okay. I was thinking they were wood for some reason looking at the little packaging, but they are not. Let's see. They feel pretty soft. Nice. So this one is step 1 for the money, step 2 for the shadow, and step 3 go girl go. So like an under eye close liner brush, a fluffy brush, and a medium or smaller brush. So nice. Those retail for $23.15 because they're from Great Britain, so there's a price conversion in there. And the last thing in here is all wrapped up. Lots of packaging. And it says Boxycharm Heart Pure. And I actually know what this is because I'm on the Pure Cosmetics email list. That's what it's called. And they started selling this already. So that is what it looks like. It is an eyeshadow palette. It retails for $36. There's some nice colors in here. Let's swatch them. So this is Belle, and it does come with a mirror. We'll do that. Mia. Ooh. Maybe do the BFF, like the money colors, right? And then we'll do a second shimmer too. Ooh, that one is really chunky, but that could be because I tried to swatch it with my thumb. Yeah, that's pretty chunky. I don't know if you can see the hunks there, but blow off some of that. Ooh, that blue is nice. So that's what those 4 look like. Maybe if I hadn't swatched with my thumb, it would have been a little better with that one. But that is my Boxycharm. And hang on, and I will unbox my Glossybox next. All right, to recap Boxycharm really fast.
now that I don't have blue fingers. I'm excited to look at this Boxycharm Pure palette because I have liked the Pure palettes that I've tried so far. I'm really excited about the blush because I've been wanting to try a more Pretty Vulgar, so I'm excited about that. Mascara, I have so many mascaras, but I will try it and see what it is like. The brushes, I'm actually kind of surprised with. I haven't bought anything from Vintage because I see them all the time in like TJ Maxx and stuff, and I just have never picked up anything. So those are actually nicer than I thought they would be. And the eye gels, I'm kind of meh. So 2 of them I'm really excited about. The other 2, not as much. But let's see how Glossybox does. And this month the theme is True Beauty Is. And we'll pull out the ribbon and the thing coming soon. Oh, they're gonna have a Mother's Day box coming soon. So that's exciting. Mine is a little worse for the wear. It's kind of smushed. And some of the items are covered in black fuzz because of the little wormy things. And that's the case of this. This is the Unani Illuminate Milk Cleanser. And I actually think I've gotten one of these in Glossybox before. So interesting. I don't know. It smells okay. It has a creamy looking texture. And that retails for, let's see. It doesn't even tell me what its price is. Found an extra product in your box this month. Enjoy a little gift from us and try one of our glossy faves. Already discovered this one, pass it on. So it's kind of, I guess, a way to get rid of extra stuff that they have. Interesting. Next is from Cover FX. This is in the shade Light, and it is a perfect pencil. I don't know what that means. Crayon Parfait. So it is, I don't know if this is oh, it's a concealer, and this retails for $20. So let's see if we can see. Oh, they actually sent me a shade that will work, so that's good. And it looks like it blends out pretty nicely. It's not going to be obvious on my skin, so it's always a good thing. The next thing in here is from Figs and Rouge. Soft Focus Pore Perfect HD Matte Veil. So I'm assuming this is a primer. Yeah, it is a primer. Okay. And let's see. It is sealed, so I'm going to leave it sealed because I have a few other primers that are already opened. The next thing in here is from D. Bury from Paris. I've gotten one of these before too. This is a jumbo eye pencil in the shade Bubble number 7, and it retails for $18. I actually think I got this in a limited edition glossy box, if I remember right. So I'm going to pass this one on because I already have it. And oh, this retails for $35. That's a lot for a primer that I've never heard of the brand. Next is from Form. It is a multitask leave-in lotion, which is, oh, it's for your hair. I was trying to figure out where you keep it. It retails for $32 for a 12 ounce. So this is 1.7 ounces. So I wonder, it looks kind of similar to It's a 10 when you take it out of the packaging, or when you pull out the sprayer. So that's interesting. And then the last thing in here is a very pretty nail polish color. This is from Morgan Taylor. All right, so the nail polish retails for $9.50, and I have one other shade from Morgan Taylor, but this is a very like springy, nice color. So that's kind of nice.
So looking at, oh, and this is in the shade Lip Service. All right. Looking at this, I mean, we did get an extra item this month, but it's one that I'm pretty sure I've gotten before. And then I've already gotten this one in a previous package, which if you're going to do a limited edition, I don't know why you're just putting in the same things that you send out in the regular boxes, but maybe that's just me. Leave-in lotion, I can always use that. I'm grateful to try that. Concealer is good. I'm glad that they sent us the right shade too. Pretty nail polish color. And it'll be interesting to try this because I've never heard of this brand. But if I'm looking at the two together, I'm thinking that Boxycharm beat out Glossybox this month just for the palette itself, because that was pretty spectacular. Let me know what your thoughts were on these two boxes. Do you get Boxycharm? Do you get Glossybox? Do you get both of them? Did you get something different than I did? I am really interested to know. I do have my 500 subscriber giveaway going on as well. So if you have not entered that, I will link the video down below so you can watch that. I hope you are having a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you guys next time.